My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2020 Volkswagen ID3 Pro Performance. This vehicle has done just over 28,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the steering wheel, we have features such as cruise control and voice control. On the touchscreen, we are met with navigation as a feature, as well as radio, charging, and phone connection. If we click here, we can access our climate control, smart climate, and air care. If we click here, we can control our heated seats. Using these buttons, we can get quick access to our assist, different driving modes, quick access to climate control again, as well as our parking camera and parking sensors. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.